Hi, good morning to you. Weather briefing here during the 5 o'clock hour on our major winter storm beginning to unfold here across the region. Meteorologist Matthew East along with you. Let me begin here with a look at some camera shots across the region. That is the Greensboro Tower camera. I have aimed that down toward the ground, towards Spring Garden, so we can see the snow beginning to accumulate down that way. Temperature there in Greensboro at the airport, and look at that, it's down to 27. And look at the wind, too. East at 15, wind chill at 15 there in Greensboro. All right, let me take a tour around some of these cameras across the region. There's High Point. You can see the ground beginning to get whitened down below. Look at Davidson College, the football field there, completely snow covered now. Let's see, there's Charlotte. Boy, it's been snowing pretty heavily through the 4 and 5 o'clock hour times in parts of the Queen City region. And let's see. Let's look at one of our Greensboro Tower cameras. There's I-40. Notice traffic moving on I-40 down below, but also that snow really beginning to accumulate there on I-40. A couple of social media images to share with you that have come in. That's Mount Airy a little bit earlier this morning. And then this is an image from the southern parts of Cleveland County and a little bit south of Shelby. So the snow is piling up. All right, there's the radar. It's behaving about as I expected. A little period of sleet initially. Took some rain, too, to moisten up the atmosphere and get us down to where we needed to be for snow. But now it is mainly snow for a lot of the Piedmont. And down into South Carolina, the moisture fetch is very, very healthy. And it looks like we are really set up for most of the day, seeing pretty heavy wintry precipitation. So there's the setup. Low pressure developing along the coast and then lifting up the Carolina coast. Now, what I think will happen is with time we see a transition to, instead of pure snow, to sleet through the southern Piedmont, creeping up probably to about I-40 or so. And then as the temperatures aloft cool again tonight, we kick back over to all snow. So, for instance, here's the Triad area. Snow and sleet, especially the farther south you go. And then areas of snow tonight, and I do need to mention the chance for some freezing rain tonight as we lose some of the moisture aloft for a period of time. So it'll kind of, I think, kick back and forth between some snow showers and a little bit of freezing rain overnight. Low pressure pulls away tomorrow. Snow showers at times, especially tomorrow morning. Still a cold day tomorrow. Sunday features full sunshine. Good looking weather day overall. Now here's my updated accumulation ideas. A healthy precipitation event for sure. I think the northern foothills and the mountains stay all or mostly snow, so easily a foot in some spots up that way. And 6 to 11 inches there in that red shaded corridor. This is where it gets tricky. It depends on how much sleet gets mixed in, and I think the sleet will certainly cut down on the totals as you head down towards southern North Carolina. And here's my latest ideas for ice accumulation. Southern North Carolina is still a significant ice threat, but I've shifted this area just a little bit south due to how things are setting up this morning. We'll adjust that as necessary. That would be the potential freezing rain accumulation. I really think the European model is doing a pretty decent job. I don't have a big problem with what it's printed out here on its latest run. That doesn't look too out of the realm of possibility. And here's the latest RPM. It's doing a pretty nice job, too, I think. There's your snow accumulation on the RPM modeling. And then here is the ice accumulation. Again, I think that's not a bad depiction of how things might unfold. All right, so that's it for now. Everybody stay safe. Travel becoming difficult, if not impossible, in fairly short order. And it's going to be that way all day today and tonight. So just kind of hunker down where you are and ride out the winter storm. Everybody enjoy the winter weather if you have the chance to do so. Stay safe and stay warm, and God bless.